Number 7, which is the entropy of fusion for a compound, delta S naught fusion is equal to 200 joules per mole K. And it says the melting point of the compound is 4 degrees C. And so T melting is equal to 4 degrees C, which, what is that in Kelvin? 277 K. Okay. And so what is the entropy or the enthalpy of fusion? Well, we're taking advantage of the fact that melting and boiling or any phase transition is an equilibrium process. Therefore, delta G, so for every equilibrium process, delta G equals 0. And so that means that the temperature is going to be equal to delta H naught over delta S naught, and therefore what I'm asking for, delta H naught. Did I get this? What did I do wrong here? Something's wrong. Something just doesn't seem quite right. Oh yeah, no, it's okay. It's okay. Equals, nothing's wrong. T delta S. It's not. It was just, it's one of those things, and this is what people do on tests, regrettably. The answer just seems too easy. And so you go, yeah, I see it all the time. People write the right answer down. It's clear that I can even see it.
I know.
They'll erase it and write some more complicated thing in there. And I can actually read the right answer underneath the wrong one.
You should read that.
And I can't, you know, the hard part for me is because when I go to assign credit, I can't give you credit for something you erased and
So
wrote over.
basically the moral of the story is put it all on there. Just leave your work. If you decide you want to figure it out a second way.
That's been,
it's all enough
that's actually,
so that you can
that's actually been tried too.
One of those 3 ways.
I had a guy a couple of years ago, he wrote all around the margins and everywhere. And so he had the right answer somewhere on the page.
And would you take it? If
No.
Oh.
And he'd come back up and argue. Said, well, I wrote that over there. I'm saying, yeah, but the answer was supposed to be in this space here, and you wrote something completely different there. But, you know, it was worth
So
a
as long as
try.
it's in the same space, though.
Well, yeah, well, you
Even
get
if you
it.
figured it out 2 different ways.
Well,
which one.
I'm going to, you know, I have to know which one you're talking about. So, you know, but that strategy has been done before.
Yeah.
And it's a real nightmare.
Because I very commonly solve things 2 different ways, and one of them's right and one of them's wrong, and I'm definitely the type of person who usually makes the
But the main thing is, you know, go with your first instincts.
Yeah, and usually the easier
first
one
answer.
too is the right way.
Yeah, it's the right way. Yeah, yeah. So, because I had this weird misgiving. Well, this is too easy. Wait a minute. No, it's right. So that's equal to what was our temperature?
277.
277 K times 200 joules per mole. And so the units work out nicely. The K drops out, and it just comes down to multiplying 277 times 2. 554. 200. I'll get that right. 0, 0, 14, 15, and 2 times 2 is 4, 554. Yes, you had it right. So 554, 55,400 equals 55,400 joules per mole equals 55.4 kilojoules. Okay? So that was another one of those gimme questions. that,
It's because it was short, huh?
yeah, that you should be able to nail on the test.
Okay.